The first time I made a paella was for a former boss and mentor named Jorge Hernandez on a beach in the south of Spain. And apart from it being one of the most stressful days of my life, it was by far one of the most fun times I've ever had cooking. Cooking with them and colleagues over an open fire and opening bottles of wine and playing with that fire it's just so much fun. The act of cooking a paella is like inherently a communal aspect. It's a technique that is very obvious and explicable, but the mastery of it, the technique of it, the way you kind of hone in on it, takes a lifetime. Maybe you're throwing it over an open fire pit, maybe you're throwing it on top of your Weber grill. If you're at home in the kitchen, you're throwing it on top of a burner. All those things are acceptable. As long as you can figure out how to level the pan, how to control your heat, you're good to go there. Cooking should be very important and should taste amazing, obviously, but it should be something that you truly enjoy doing. That's what good cooking should be.